Hey guys, Saki here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be sharing some incredible wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and I'm talking about wallpapers just like this one in the background over here. This is a beautiful live abstract wallpaper. Here's just one more example. As you can see, another gorgeous wallpaper. So let's dive in and get started right away. So to download these wallpapers, what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click that link, you're going to be at my website. Once you're at the website, you're going to scroll down just a little bit, and you can see under wallpaper number 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth, you can have these links you can click. So let's click link number 1, and that is going to take you to the Galaxy store. And don't forget to check the other link if you want to see some great Samsung tablet deals from Samsung. But once you click this link, it's going to open up the Samsung Galaxy store, and then you can tap on download at the bottom and tap on apply. So we already saw this wallpaper. We're going to skip it real quick. We're going to go back to the website and scroll down to number 2. So that is known as the Gradient 23. Tap on the link. It'll take you to the Galaxy store. Now this one is a slightly different color, but it's still a beautiful abstract wallpaper. Tap on apply. Tap on done. Let's see what this one looks like on the lock screen. Absolutely beautiful, as you can see. All right, look at that, beautiful. All right, let's go back to the website. Number 3 is going to be the golden line wallpaper. Tap on the link. All right, tap on download. And by the way, these are all free and premium. So tap on apply. Let's see what this one looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Beautiful. You can't ignore this text at the bottom. It disappears. All right, so that's number 3. Let's go to number 4. That's the loop space wallpaper. Tap on the link. Tap on download. Tap on apply. All right, and let's see what this one looks like. Tap, tap to wake it up. Absolutely beautiful, as you can see. These are some beautiful wallpapers. Let's go back in here and do the final one. That's the number 5. Tap on it. That's the CPU wallpaper. Tap on apply. Basically, you get a CPU on your display, as you can see. Let me press and hold. Absolutely beautiful. All right. All right, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.